So, good morning, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Stock future inched higher in overnight trading Sunday after the S&P 500 registered its best week of 2024. Future tied to the S&P 500 rose by 0.1%, while future connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 30 points or 0.1%. Nasdaq 100 future edged up 0.2%. Stocks are coming off the winning week aimed a volatile stretch for equities. The broad index rallied 3.9% for its best week since 2023. The Nasdaq Composite and the Dow added 5.2% and 2.9% respectively. Don't be surprised if yield rises ahead of the Federal Reserve September policy meeting, according to the John Canwell, lead analyst at Oxford Economics. Asia market takes a breath after last week's rally. Inflation data and the central bank decision are on deck. Dollar softened, yen set for weekly fall as US recession worries fade. Oil prices set for weekly gain on reward enthusiasm around the US economy. Gold rallies to record high on softer dollar rate cut expectations. Now coming to the Indian market update. As far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty closed around 397.40 point positive last trading session, that is around 1.65%. And today's resistance level would be around 24,034 followed by 23,700. And the resistance level would be around 24,753 followed by 25,086. Now coming to the Bank Nifty, as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 789 point positive last trading session, that is around 1.59%. And today's support level would be around 49,208 followed by 48,758. And the resistance level would be around 51,385 followed by 52,023. As far as mid cap is concerned, mid cap closed around 1108 point positive, that is around 1.96%. And today's resistance level would be previous trading session low, that is around 57,011, followed by 56,679. And the resistance level would be around 58,141, followed by 58,473. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around 349 point positive, that is around 1.93%. And today's support level would be around 17,936 followed by 17,784. And the resistance level would be around 18,615 followed by 18,767. Now coming to the sectoral update, we see good buying opportunities in IT sector, retailing sector, telecom sector, consumer durable sector, healthcare sector, FMCG sector, in industrial gases and fuel sector. And the top deliveries are in retailing sector, plastic and product sector, electrical sector, reality sector, gas and transmission sector, alcohol sector, IT sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the Tata Group stock basket with the expected return of 8%. The performance review is like कि large cap performed till now 1.98%, auto sector performed around negative 0.11%, private bank performed around negative 4.87%, FMCG performed around 4.05%, pharma sector performed around 5.14%, and the Tata Group performed around negative 1.66%.